John Dayal continues. Tushar Gupta joining us. विवेक सर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, गुड टू सी यू. आज कमरुज़मान चौधरी भी बहुत दिन बाद आए हैं, आपको भी देख के अच्छा लग रहा है.
And a happy new year.
What do you think of what the BBC has been up to, sir? Not the first time. I just, read out some examples.
You're talking to me?
Yes, sir.
मुझे कह रहे हैं आप?
आपसे ही कह रहा हूं. Guest
It's
of
a balancing
honor.
act by the BBC. I'm a communist. हाँ, नहीं, thank you sir. Thank you for calling me. मैं तो सीधा कहूंगा, मैं एक कम्युनिस्ट हूं. मैं वेनेजुएला की सरकार का समर्थक हूं. I support them and a regime change by an external agency, an external country, the way it happened in Iraq, the way it happened in Afghanistan, they tried it in Vietnam. American imperialist, हम इनके खिलाफ हैं. Red salute to Venezuela and the people of Venezuela. It is wrong what has been done. BBC should be more critical. That is one part of the story. The sad part is there are two more parts of the same story. My prime minister endorsed this president of United States. It is my prime minister who went there and said, "Ab ki baar Trump sarkar." It is my prime minister who was.
He never said it.
It was.
He never said it. Vivek Srivastava, stop peddling lies in the new year. He was quoting. ये आधा मत बोलिए ना. उन्होंने पूरा कोट पढ़ा था. ऐसे मत कीजिए. By the way, you said red salute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Save some salute for this. You know what BBC says about Burhan Wani, about Pahalgam. Pahalgam में कौन आए थे, sir? Who are the people who killed innocent Indians? Were they gunmen or Pakistani terrorists? What was Burhan Wani?
You may be critical. Listen to me now. I believe we should criticize the media selectively. Wherever they need a correction, there's nothing wrong. But I also stand for the freedom of expression of Pranesh over here. He should be allowed to speak boldly whatever he likes.
But sir,
whether it is against the Prime Minister or against us,
the
opposition. That guarantee should be given.
एक और सवाल, सर. विवेक श्रीवास्तव इतने दिन बाद आए हैं, आप सवाल खत्म नहीं हो रहे मेरे. फ्री स्पीच का एग्जाम्पल हमने अभी जेएनयू में देखा है. वो कह रहे मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी.
हाँ, जेएनयू में बहुत अच्छा हुआ. कोई बात नहीं सर, सबने पुतले जलाए हैं इस देश में 70 साल. बीजेपी ने भी जलाए हैं. यहां पे उसी एबीवीपी ने आकर के दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के ऑडिटोरियम में गिलानी को लाकर के स्पीच के लिए बुलाया था गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कि मेन स्ट्रीम में आइए आप. और एबीवीपी के लड़कों ने अटैक किया था. लेकिन आई विल नेवर लाइक द एबीवीपी स्टूडेंट्स टू बी टारगेटेड or to be victimized just in the name of some ideology. They are students.
Let's talk about one more ideology, then I'll open this up. Tushar, I know you want to come in. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji bhi बोलना चाहते हैं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, बुरहान वानी and how बुरहान वानी is portrayed by the BBC. आप क्या सोचते हैं सर बुरहान वानी के बारे में?
कर रहे हैं. आप क्या सोचते हैं अतीक अहमद के एनकाउंटर के बारे में? क्या वो इस मुल्क के ऊपर एक काला धब्बा था या नहीं? आप क्या सोचते हैं मुख्तार अंसारी की मृत्यु के बारे में? आप क्या सोचते हैं कुलदीप सेंगर को छोड़ने के बारे में? आप क्या सोचते हैं गुरमीत राम रहीम को लाइफ इंप्रिजनमेंट मिलती है और 15 वालों पैरोल पे जा चुका है?
One question is Burhan Wani can have this effect. It had triggered Vivek Srivastava. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, I'm coming to you. Let me bring in Tushar very quickly. Tushar, this is not the first time, but this just tells you that the ecosystem's blind faith on BBC stands exposed.
Ganesh, the BBC is actually a tool of the British Empire. It's the British Broadcasting Corporation. It's submissive to the interests of the government of the United Kingdom. And the United Kingdom and Europe as a whole is working with the United States when it comes to their interest in the Western Hemisphere. So what we are seeing with respect to the BBC and their coverage of Venezuela, it's not surprising. They will do all it takes to sugarcoat what has happened in Venezuela, what has happened in terms of invading another country, picking up the head of state, all said and done. 100 faults with the Venezuelan leader, but this is not the way to go about it. But even if the US wants to do it, why are they afraid of defining it as it is? And this is the newspaper, this is the outlet the liberals of India believe in. They rest their faith in. One documentary by the BBC and you have liberals drooling over it, somehow imagining it to be the gospel truth about India. A corporation that sugarcoats lies, that sugarcoats crimes of the West, is an outlet that the liberals of India, liberals like Vivek Srivastava here, hold it as the gospel truth. They believe this outlet over journalists in India, over the government of India.
Vivek Srivastava, I don't think he's a liberal.